How's it going everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can restore skin in Minecraft Aternos Server. The first thing that you want to do is to get your server running, so just head over to the official website of Aternos and from here start your server. And so right after, navigate through the categories of your Aternos server, and then you want to click on the plugins section. In here, we then want to search for a specific plugin that we are going to install onto our Aternos server, and that is going to be the Skin Restorer. So just search it up on the search bar and then click on the search icon. You then want to select the Skins Restorer, basically ability to restore or change skin on servers, offline and online mode. So just click on it. And then from here, you want to install the latest version. In my case, it's going to be the Skins Restorer 15.10.0. Just click on this specific button right here. That will then install the plugin onto our Aternos server. And basically, to confirm that it's up and running, you want to click on the Files option. From here, scroll down and click on Plugins. You then want to look for the specific name of the plugin that we have installed. So in our case, it's going to be the Skins Restorer.jar. Basically, from there, just start your server, log in, and after you will be able to restore your skin on your server. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.